upgrade from this to this. Hey you, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I used to do my braids, and I noticed that doing it this way added like bumps on the road, and you don't want to have those bumps. So I will be showing you how I now do my extending braids or just ombre braids in general. As you see, this creates a lot of bumps, and that's not the right way to do it. So I will show you guys how to do that. I would have different, like multiple examples on how to do it. This is a far up, and I'll have like close-ups as well. What I learned is to actually hide the bump by putting it over the braids. You're going to see multiple examples, but what I mean is I would take the braiding hair that I wanted to add, and then put it underneath one of the braiding hair, like so. I hope this makes sense, but I will show you again a very close-up detail on what I mean. So basically, in adding the hair, right, you take that hair and then hold one in the other hand, and then for the other one I put it underneath like that, and then I just go ahead and braid. I hope this is a very helpful tip. This is what I learned on my way. So this is definitely very beginner friendly, and it would help to make your braids longer if you wanted to do like extensions, or if you want to do an ombre type look. And I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. And again, this is a simple way of, adding hair or creating an ombre effect like so. I believe this hair ended up being about 40 inches. So, baby, gets to it. And you would see when you're like looking at it, it doesn't leave any bumps. It's just nice and smooth, and it's giving you that ombre look that you want. I hope you guys like the video. Please make sure to like the video, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. I'm going to be putting it in water, and watch out for part 2. See you in the next one. Mwah.